What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to Marketing with Dom. If you've ever followed this place, please make sure you subscribe to this page because I'm always delivering fire content and I like to get straight to the point. I do not like to waste time. So if you do me a favor, I'll do you a favor. Ring that little bell and make sure you always get updates to actually get to that money bag in the new age of media. So today we're talking about building landing pages. So I always want to make it very simple for you. If you're not very tech savvy or anything and you're like, damn, like I can't do all that tech stuff, this is the perfect platform for you. I have like 15 different platforms I use, right? Because I really like to test them out, and people have been asking me about a really easy way to convert their traffic into their own followers and email list. So the landing pages on this platform are beyond simple. You literally have all these templates that are here. So you can look at many different templates in different areas. I'm talking about this is so simple to put together. So if you have like, boom, when you click on it, check this out. The way that it works is really cool. Let's go with quick sell template or quick template. You literally click on it and it has numbers for you. So the numbers are really truly what I would say is exactly what someone's trying to purchase when you're sending them to a lead generation page and for you to be able to get direct access to them. The reason why this platform is super powerful is because it has an actual application. Hold on, my bad, it's connected. And the leads go directly to your phone right in real time, which that means when someone converts, you immediately get them in real time on your landing page. That's all the power I needed when I started this platform. So if you want to join this, literally there's a link down below. You should literally join this right now and start building out simple landing pages. You put the header here, you're like, hey, yeah, I'm like, yeah, you know, I'll probably write some real marketing stuff. You can be like, join. You can put the video, whatever the video you want to put there, all the text. And then when you finally save it, right, it tells you all the words. You can put the background up there. It will give you to the site, and then bam. It will have your background, the words you put, the subtitle, and it makes it simple. It's simple on all platforms. That's a simple way to build a landing page 2020 super fast. And it converts high, especially when you drive traffic that is directly looking for something that you're trying to sell. Building a landing page that is simple and you don't have to worry about trying to be super complicated. You can actually then also just get all the leads to your phone, and it creates a system of platforms. I've been building this stuff out, and I've been building these out just so I can test them out. I've worked on this platform for a couple years, and if you're trying to build landing pages that are super simple and you're not trying to be complicated, you're not tech savvy, this is 100% for you. So if you like the fire, you're trying to build a landing page to get all the leads and stuff for your business, please make sure you subscribe, because I got some other stuff. I'll go a little bit more deeper in contact with this. Also, make sure you comment down below because it helps me out for the algorithm, and I appreciate you on the other side. And till next time, boom, baby.